You got 5 blasters, 4th break of the night. You guys have been crazy. Without further ado, let's get right into it, though. As always, good luck. Good luck, boys. Get the giveaway up for you guys. We're doing a full-on free giveaway. 3 blasters, 4 fat packs. It's not going to be ripped today, but so you get it while you can. Join, get it over with, so you don't forget. All right, we got Peyton Manning, Eric Dickerson, Randy Moss, Will to Win, and a Hunter Long. All right, we got Mark Andrews, Joe Montana, Green, Rob Gronkowski, and a J.J. Watt. Devontae Adams, Dalvin Cook, Green, Kyler Murray, Will to Win, and a Simi for Hecko. Herbert or Nice Joey B, I got you, my guy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Derek Brown, Rob Gronkowski, a Green, Alvin Kamara, and a Derrick Henry. Jonathan Taylor. Oh, there it is again, boys. That's a case hit right there. Emmitt Smith, busted. Going to the Cowboys. That's a hit right there. That's what I was talking about. That's what I was talking about with these. This is a case hit right here. Yeah, it's our second one of the day. Nice. Got game Baker Mayfield and then Trey Nixon. See what I was talking about? I don't think those cards are cool. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of those. Alright, we got OBJ, Alvin Kamara, Green, Derek Carr, and a Kenneth Gainwell. J.J. Watt, Derek Carr, Russell Wilson, and Aziz Aquari. Last pack for that first blaster. Melvin Gordon, Ron Jaworski, Levy, and a Ezekiel Elliott. Alright, on to blaster number 2. Kind of a bust on the first blaster. We did get a case hit, so I guess I can't complain. Just not the coolest of case hits. Unless you guys like those, then who cares what I think, right? All right, we got a Gardner Minshew, Derek Carr, Big Bang Green, Derrick Henry, and Micah Parsons. Defensive Rookie of the Year, we'll take it. Let's get it. Let's attract these cards, boys. DJ knows what's up. We got Kareem Hunt, Ron Jaworski, Silver Prism, Adam Thielen, and Joe Montana. We got Matt Ryan, Aaron Donald, A.J. Brown, and Tutu Atwell. Got Von Miller, Brandon Ayuk. We got a Green, Dak Prescott, Derek Brooks. All right, we got a Joe Antonio Gibson, Deion Sanders, Hall of Fame, and Gary Brightwell. Got Deshaun Watson, Denzel Mims, Calvin Ridley Green, and a Josh Jacobs. All right, David Montgomery, Matthew Stafford. We got Silver Leonard Fournette, and a Dax Mill. Last pack in that second blaster, then we got 3 to go. Got a Patty Mahomes, Jimmy G, green DeAndre Swift, and a Patrick Surtain. Nothing too crazy yet, boys, but we're going to heat up in the end for sure. Allen Robinson, Jerome Bettis, Marshall Faulk, and Joe Tryon. Mark Brunell, Devontae Parker, green Adrian Amos, and a Joe Montana. Jarvis Landry, Tyler Lockett, Tom Brady, and Najee Harris. There we go. Well, Najee Harris action. We'll take it. We'll take it. The Steelers. Yeah, bro. Montana. I think they just put a shit ton because we've been opening hella Mosaic today and we've gotten so many. I think they just put way too many Montanas in there. Alright. Buda Baker, Stephon Gilmore. Bang! 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 For the Chiefs. Second of the day. Nice. Nice. That's a sick one. Very good looking card. It's followed by a J.J. Watt. That is not black, no. That's blue. I did check to see if it was a 1-on-1. It was not. Alright, we got Cortland Sutton, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tim Brown, Penny Swell. Yeah, it's the second Genesis of the day, though. 4 breaks, 2 Genesis. Can't complain. Jim Kelly, Sam Darnold, Chubby Hewitt Green, and a Derrick Henry. Yeah. Alright. Tyler Boyd, Keenan Allen, Big Bang, Drew Brees, and Ian Book. Kurt Warner, Deontay Johnson, a green Brian Urlacher, and a Kenneth Gainwell. Alright, boys, we got 2 blasters to go. 2 blasters to go. We just had a nice little Genesis. So we're starting to heat up a little bit. Not a rookie, but can't win them all, you know? Be grateful for what we get. Another great thing in the secret. Gratitude. Number one thing I've learned the past 6 months is definitely gratitude. Alright, we got Marshawn Lattimore, Jason Taylor, Silver Prism, Trey Sermon, and a Kurt Warner. Fred Blinkenoff, Josh Allen, Will DeWin, Ray Lewis, and Travis Eaton Jr. Miles Sanders, NFL debut, Jalen Waddle, green, Jermaine Edmonds, and a Peyton Manning. Nice little Jalen Waddle. He's super slept on, in my opinion. Getting a quarterback that's not Tua. He's a baller. More than he already is. Alright, Leonard Williams, Kirk Cousins. We got a green, Big Bang, Devontae Adams, and Rashad Slater. Fred Warner, Ray Lewis, green, Andre Johnson, and a Mark Andrews. Alright, where is Mac Jones? He's been hiding today. Came out for 1 breaking, but other than that, he's been hiding. Cam Newton, Walter Payton, got game, Jalen Hurts, and Amon-Ra St. Brown. 2 more packs, and then we have 1 blaster, and then we're done for the day, unfortunately. We'll be back tomorrow, though, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You know it. Jameson Crowder, Lamar Jackson. We got a nice little green Burrow. We'll take it. And a Devontae Adams. Alright, we got Eric Dickerson. Well, Zach Wilson NFL debut. We'll take it. Aaron Rodgers and Tommy Tremble. Better than nothing for sure. Better than nothing. Alright, last blaster. So far, we haven't really had anything too crazy. I mean, we had a Gensis. We've had a nice case hit. But if you didn't have the Chiefs or the Cowboys, you really haven't done anything. So we're hoping to do some better for this last one, boys. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. First two blasters of the day, we had 2 autographs, and then ever since have been quiet. All right, Chad Johnson, Devin White, Touchdown Masters, A.J. Brown, and Javon Holland. Giveaway will be reached when we hit 500 followers and whatnot. We're doing a free break, so that's why we're waiting for it to actually work out for us. All right, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Daniel Jones. Bang! I saw it. I knew it. Little Trey Lance Green. Last blaster. We needed that. We needed that. Finally, DJ, my boy. I felt bad. Okay, that's with green though. It's followed by a great recital. I wish you guys could see the pile of cards under my table right now. Oh, every time. Sorry, bro. Emmitt Smith, Josh Jacobs, Deion Sanders, and Kenneth Gainwell. Trent Dilfer, Fletcher Cox, Matt Ryan, and Allen Robinson. Aaron Rodgers, Dan Marino, Big Bang, David Montgomery, and Chaz Newsome. Or Daz Newsome, whatever his name is. We got Christian McCaffrey, Steve Largent, Javonte Williams, nice, Tom Brady. 2 packs left, boys. 2 packs left. Let's see what we can do. Michael Pittman Jr., Tom Brady, Willie Wynn, Dak Prescott, and Odell. Last pack, boys. Last pack. Got Young Kuku, Javon Curse, a green Kurt Warner, and a Peyton Manning. All right, boys. That concludes the 5-box. Appreciate you boys for joining. We had a long day of breaking. We did 4 breaks, past like 5 or 6 hours of being live. It was a long one, but we had a blast. Hope you guys